I'm Nicole. I'm an attorney and the legal program director for the Know Your Rights Camp Autopsy Initiative. In this video, I'm going to explain our acceptance criteria and the process for our autopsy services. In order to request our autopsy services, please complete a request form at our knowyourrightscamp.org website. Anyone can complete the request form on behalf of the decedent who has a close relationship with them. In order to be selected for our Autopsy Initiative services, the decedent's death must be an in-custody death. An in-custody death is defined as a death that occurs during arrest, apprehension, pursuit, or incarceration. Therefore, in-custody deaths also include police-related deaths and deaths that occur during ICE detention. Another criteria that has to be met is that our pathologist must find that performing a second autopsy would provide a reasonable likelihood of making a definitive cause of death diagnosis. Lastly, the decedent's representative must consent to the performance of the autopsy. In order to request autopsy services through our initiative, please visit knowyourrightscamp.org and complete our autopsy request form. Anyone with a close relationship to the decedent can complete the request form on their behalf. Our autopsy initiative services only apply to recent deaths. Once you have completed the autopsy request form, our team will respond to the request within 1 to 2 business days. If the death meets our definition of an in-custody death, then we will follow up with a pre-screening questionnaire. If accepted, our operations manager in the family-selected funeral home will conduct a condition check to determine whether a second autopsy is still appropriate. We can only begin transportation coordination once the decedent has arrived at the family-selected funeral home. The evaluation process and transportation coordination generally takes between 2 to 3 weeks. As a reminder, through our autopsy initiative, you will receive an independent second autopsy conducted by a board-certified forensic pathologist on our panel. You will also receive a preliminary findings discussion. Lastly, you will receive a final second autopsy report. To learn more about our Autopsy Initiative services, please visit knowyourrightscamp.org.